Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'll be looking at the solutions of Science Paper 2 of 2016. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to do any solutions of any past paper of grade 12, don't forget to put your comment down the video. And specifically I'll be looking at question 4. So let's get started. So question 4a reads, explain what is meant by limiting reagent, 1 mark. Question B says 2.4 grams of magnesium reacts with 0.30 mole of hydrochloric acid. Loma numero 1, write the balanced chemical equation for the reaction, 2 marks. Loma numero 2, determine the limiting reactant, 2 marks. Loma numero 3, calculate the mass in excess for the substance which is in excess, 1 mark. And the total marks for this question is 6 marks. Question 4a says, explain what is meant by limiting reactant, 1 mark. A limiting reactant. This is a reactant that is in less quantity during the reaction. And the limiting reactant or reagent determines the amount of product that is formed. Question B reads, 2.4 grams of magnesium reacts with 0.3 mole of hydrochloric acid. Roman numero 1, write the balanced chemical equation for the reaction, 2 marks. When magnesium reacts with hydrochloric acid, the product that are produced is magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. So the symbol of magnesium is Ag and the state symbol is S plus. The symbol of hydrochloric acid is HCl and the state symbol is Aq. So the product that will be produced is magnesium chloride, which has the chemical symbol of MgCl2 and the state symbol is Aq plus hydrogen gas, and the chemical symbol of hydrogen gas is H2 and the state symbol of hydrogen gas is G. And to balance up the chemical equation, just place a 2 where there is hydrogen. Question B, Loma numero 2 says, determine the limiting reactant, 2 marks. To answer question B, Loma numero 2, the first thing is to write down the mole ratio between magnesium and hydrochloric acid from the balanced chemical equation. So from the balanced chemical equation, the number of mole of magnesium is 1 and the number of mole of hydrochloric acid is 2. And the next thing is to compare the actual number of moles that will take part in the reaction. So to find the number of moles of magnesium, I'll say number of moles is equals to mass over molar mass. And the mass we have been given, which is 2.4 from the equation, divided by the mole ratio, which is 24. 2.4 divided by 24, that's 0.1 mole of magnesium, which will take part in the chemical reaction. And for hydrochloric acid, we have been given in the question, which is 0.3 mole of hydrochloric acid. So the next thing is to compare the actual number of moles and the mole ratio from the balanced chemical equation. So I'll say magnesium and hydrochloric acid. The mole ratio from the balanced chemical equation, we can see that 1 mole will react with 2 moles of hydrochloric acid. But from the actual balanced chemical equation, we have 0.1 mole of magnesium react with X. 1 multiplied by X That's X is equals to 0.1 multiplied by 2. That's 0.2 mole of hydrochloric acid. The next thing is to find the number of mole of the number of mole of magnesium. So 1 to 2 and X to 0.3. So X multiplied by 2, that's 2X is equals to 0.3 multiplied by 1, that's 0.3. Divide by 2, divide by 2, and 0.3 divided by 2, that's 0.15 mole of magnesium. So to compare these two moles, 0.2 mole of hydrochloric acid and 0.15 mole of magnesium, we can say 0.2 mole is greater than 0.15 mole of magnesium. In this case, we can say magnesium is the limiting reactant. Question B, Roman numeral 3 reads, calculate the mass in excess for the substance which is in excess. To find question B, Roman numeral 3, I need to find the mass of the excess substance. So to find the mass of the excess substance, I know that the number of mole of the limiting reactant is 0.1 mole, and I know that the excess substance has 0.3 mole. So the first thing, I'm going to say 0.3 mole minus 0.1 mole. In this case, I'm trying to find the excess number of moles from the equation. So 0.3 mole minus 0.1 mole, I'm having 0.2 mole. Then I'll say mass is equals to number of moles multiplied by the molar mass. So mass is equals to, in this case, the number of moles, I'll use 0.2 multiplied by 36.5. This is the molar mass of hydrochloric acid. So mass is equals to 7.3 grams.